Yeah, it's been done. हो गया. Acha. So these bioenzyme that is written in the slide is a natural cleanser. It is a natural cleanser because it is prepared out of all natural ingredients, all your peels of fruit, your vegetable peels, and with the process of fermentation. And the process of fermentation is also not new to all of you because हम जो घर पे ढोकला बनाते हैं या इडली बनाते हैं, even the curd which is prepared out of milk, it is all with the process of fermentation. So these enzymes, first of all, I would like to tell you कि तो 100% they are organic. 100% organic, no chemicals involved. That was I say it is eco-friendly. And then they have no expiry date. The older your enzyme is, the better it is. The older your enzymes is, it start multiplying more powerful it is. And now I think without wasting time, I should start with the procedure of how to make these enzymes. So I'll just show you the next slide. So first of all, ingredients required for making this enzymes is this plastic container. You can use any kind of plastic container. I've been using this bottles. As you can see over here on the stand, I made so many enzymes. This is just nothing. I have a room full of enzymes. And now the second thing is which you need is water. Then you need jaggery. Jaggery is good, जो हमको घर में easily available है. Instead of jaggery, you can even use sugar. You can use brown sugar, all as per your convenience. There's no hard and fast rule कि jaggery ही use करनी है. But of course, jaggery is why we use jaggery because इसके अंदर कुछ there are some ingredients in it which helps to aggravate the process of fermentation. And then we need a domestic waste. If I talk about domestic waste, you can use your flowers, you can use fruit peels, you can use vegetable peels, even leaves you can use. So but make sure all these peels are fresh. They should not be rotten. Otherwise you will have that smell, that aroma will not be that good. And as a beginner, I would like to suggest कि आप लोग सब, first of all, if you are going in a process of making enzyme, try to use citrus fruits. Because citrus fruits का जो aroma आता है ना, it is very good, very good. You will love it. And then I'm repeating on a point of an airtight plastic container because at the time of this, when this process is going, there are many gases are evolved. So this plastic containers do not allow, they just allow for the expansion of the gases.
अच्छा, so gases के अंदर expand हो जाएंगी तो easy रहेगा.
Yeah, there should be some space because plastic burst out. Otherwise, if you use a glass containers or glass bottle, there's chances of rupturing. So plastic is all.
This question she was asking, why not to use glass bottles? I think that's.
Yeah, Bani, I think we can have this question answer session after I finish with it. That should be okay. Fine. So let me just finish it up. Then I will repeat the things again and again. Fine. So plastic container, there are many gases are evolved, and when the plastic does not allow the expansion, doesn't burst. Otherwise, you can't. These glass bottles may burst out. So plastic containers are the best. They should be airtight. And going to the next slide. And one more thing I would like to tell you, there is no side effect for these enzymes. Please don't worry while using them. अगर आपको ये कोई फायदा नहीं नजर आया तो कोई harm भी नजर नहीं आएगा. They are absolutely safe. Absolutely safe. Believe me, I've been using it from last 1 year. I was also like a beginner, like all of you. And when I've started using, like every day I find something new. I find something amazing. These enzymes have so much in them. I call them as a magical liquid. They are so good. And now as a making process, I would like to tell you. Making process mein kya hai? It's very simple. This is the ratio which you all have to remember. Ratio is 10:30:100. So 10 is the jaggery part, 30 is the peel part, and 100 is your water. So whenever you take a plastic container, please remember this ratio is very important. If you can have a measuring machine, then nothing better like that. You just measure and you can put them all together. पहले आप जैसे water ले लेंगे container में, and then you put a jaggery inside it. When the jaggery get dissolved, now you put the peels in it, and that is done. Your enzymes part, your procedure has been done. And now I must like to tell you कि जब आप ये बना रहे हो तो for it takes 90 days for enzyme to develop. So for 1 month, first 1 month, you have to release the pressure. If you see, I will just show you. This is my, again, a hibiscus enzyme. अगर आप इसको देखोगे, it becomes very tight. The bottle becomes very, very tight. So every day, what you have to do is just release the pressure. If you can listen the sound, see how it is coming up. There's a lot of fizz which is produced. So abhi to it has been like 1 month old, so there's not much fizz in it. But when it is just 1 day old or 2 days old, बहुत ज्यादा फिज इकट्ठी हो जाती है. लाइक जैसे आप कोक पीते हो तो उसमें काला नमक डाल तो कैसे वो एकदम ऊपर आता है. सिमिलर थिंग. So much fizz is develop in this, and if they try to come out, so slowly and slowly आप bottle को इसका cap इसको open करोगे और fizz remove कर दोगे, and just open it once in a day. बस एक बार आप इसको ऐसे खोलना है, release the pressure, and then close it again, and just keep it for just for month one, and rest 2 months, forget it. Forget your enzymes, and then after 3 months, and the one more thing which is very important while making your enzyme is the labeling part. If you see, मैंने सारी bottles पे label करा हुआ है. It is like the day you made the enzyme, उसके ऊपर आप उसके ऊपर date लिख लोगे और उस पे ये भी लिख लोगे कि कौन सा enzyme है. Like there are different kind of enzyme. When you start making enzymes, you start making enzymes of any different kind. Like I have made the many things you can make for your skin, for the cleaning purpose, and even for gardening. So as I'm in rooftop gardening, it is like a magical fertilizer for my garden. So that is a different part. Today I'm not going to discuss anything about garden because it is such a long topic. For that, I can maybe, if somebody requests, so I can have another session. But today we will be discussing just about house cleaning and for the self-use of the enzymes.
Sorry, what's the usage of the jaggery one? Like where can we use it?
See, when I will explain you again. आपने प्लास्टिक का कंटेनर लिया, उसके अंदर आपने पानी डाला, पानी
कहाँ पे use?
कंटेनर में you are making the enzyme. प्लास्टिक कंटेनर लिया, you take 10 parts of water, 30 parts of peel, and 100 parts of good. Okay, I tell you in a very easy way. हम लोग जैसे केक बनाते हैं, बानी, you are in baking and all. तो आप क्या करते हो? Like जैसे आप केक बनाते हो तो you take 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Similar thing. आप क्या लोगे? पहले कंटेनर लोगे, आप देखोगे कि उसके अंदर कितना उसकी कैपेसिटी है. According to the capacity of the container, now you will just like मैंने एक अपने इसमें बाउल बनाया हुआ है. I take 1 ball full of jaggery. Then similarly, I take 3 balls of peel, and then 10 balls of water. It is the most easy thing which I have made, because measuring and all this मुझे बहुत मुश्किल लगा था शुरू में. मैंने कहा यार क्या है इतना measure करो ये and all. Then I found a very easy way. मैंने एक bowl बना लिया अपने container के हिसाब से, and again I'm telling you 1 bowl of jaggery, and then 3 bowls of peels, and then 10 bowls of water. And one thing more, अब आप ये देखो जैसे ये आप देखो जैसे this is a bottle. I have left this empty space on the top. Every time you just make sure that there should be the space for the enzyme again to expand, because so many gases are released there. You should leave some air space. Because यहाँ तक bottom आपने top तक नहीं उसको fill करना है. Whenever you are making your enzyme, don't fill ऊपर तक, please, because उसको air उसका process रुक जाएगा. It needs some air for for evolving. So it is like this. And now, if anybody wants to ask anything, abhi tak the procedure part.
I want to ask something. ये jaggery and peel का आपने जो बताया है, ये किस purpose के लिए use होता है? For skin? For
I have told you it is a house cleaning stuff, which I'm going to tell you a long list of chemicals which we are using at home. Abhi, wait for that part. I will be telling you lot of stuff which you are using घर में. तो आपको मैं बताऊंगी आप कैसे use करोगे. अभी तो I've just told you what is the procedure. Procedure is this of making enzymes. please remember it takes 90 days, 3 months to prepare your enzyme. Sometimes I tell you what, if the jaggery is not of very good quality, कई बारी उससे क्या होता है कि 3 months से ज़्यादा, maybe 4 months लग जाएंगे, but don't worry. Don't enzymes तो बनेंगे, but it will only take some time. And now many people ask कि how do you come to know what when the end product is ready? कैसे पता चलेगा कि हमें end product ready होता है? Okay, fine. See, अभी जैसे ये है, you can see this. All these flowers are floating on the top. After 3 months, they will all settle down over here as a sediment, like a residue over here. And then their clear solution will be there. Clear means it will be a dark brown color solution will be formed above it. Mostly all the enzyme forms dark brown color solution. अभी मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. This is a very good enzyme. It is a dilute form of enzyme. I made out of marigold flowers and lemon. And I just use it to clean my kitchen ki slabs and all. Just spray it and wipe it, and then you can see the magic, which I'm going to tell you in detail later on. So abhi to I'm just telling ki how procedure of making enzyme. Like this, again I repeat, empty plastic bottle. It should be airtight bottle, and then you put water in it, which is 10 parts. And then you can put 30 parts of peels, any peels. One thing more, please, as a beginner, I would like to tell you, because you are not using for the garden purpose, just avoid potato, onion, tomato, garlic, ginger, chili, and capsicum peels. Just avoid this. Don't use it because you are not into gardening. You're just making for your home purpose. Don't make out of, again I repeat, onions, potatoes, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, and chilies and capsicum. Shimla mirch, प्याज, लहसुन, अदरक, आलू, टमाटर के आपने नहीं बनाने हैं. These are very good enzymes, but out of these vegetables, we make fertilizers, not for cleansing. Yes, they can be used for the cleansing purpose, but you will not like that aroma. You will not like that, you know, the smell of it, because you can feel कि onion की smell कैसी होती है, garlic की smell कैसी होती है. So start with making with lemon and all citrus fruits. And please release the pressure daily till 1 month, and then you can just forget and keep it your enzyme for another 2 months. And one thing more, please avoid धूप में नहीं रखना है. आप इसको ड्राई एंड छाया वाली जगह पे रखो. प्लीज डोंट, एंजाइम शुड नॉट हैव डायरेक्ट सनलाइट की बना के आपने अपने बाहर रख दिया कहीं या गार्डन में रख दिया या wherever the sunlight is, please don't keep it there. Best is to keep it in your stores where there's no light. And light will be okay, but light की कोई बात इतनी नहीं होती है, but please sunlight ना पड़े. Just make sure.
Okay, tell me something.
Hanji.
You've written one part of jaggery and one part of peels. So all these
30 parts of peel.
Sorry,
30
30
parts of
of
peel.
peels. So like we don't have to use potatoes, chilies, shimla mirch and tomatoes, onion, garlic. So फिर what is here in the peels?
Here in the peel, you can use all kind of fruits. You can have papaya, banana, apple. You can use all kind of leaves. I'm going to tell you, abhi to this next part, I'm going to tell you which all enzymes you can make and where you can use it. But you can use all the peels, like papaya ke peel aap use karo. In vegetables, you can use apne kaddu ke peels. Then you can use kakdi, cucumber peels. And ये आप जो स्लाइड में आप देख रहे हो, ये मैंने जो बनाया हुआ है, this is basil peels. Basil के लीफ से बनाया हुआ है मैंने. So I am making out of many.
Do question answer in the end because बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा the session.
Yeah.
So guys, you can do all the question answers at the end. Once you start with the whole process, maybe your answers are already there in the slides.
Okay, I think the procedure part I am done with it. And later on, if anybody wants me to repeat, then I can always repeat that. Making of the this. Now, these are the precautions which I've already spoken about. The precaution is not keeping in sunlight, dry place.
Guys, please keep
Dark and dry place. Then don't use metal and glass bottle. Metal, of course, all the science students, those who have a science background, they can understand कि chemical reaction होता है metal के साथ. If you are using citrus fruit or any other vegetable, the reaction will take place with the metal. So please don't use metal. Just use plastic containers. Stick to plastic containers, and it should be airtight. Then releases of pressure, which I have told you, for 1 month, you have to release the pressure every day, once in 24 hours. You just open it and close it. And avoid the peels of potato, tomato, ये मैंने आपको बता दिया है. I think we should move to another slide now. Okay. Now, as you were asking me, अभी मेरे को जैसे आशमीन ने पूछा कि कौन सी चीजों की बना सकते हो. So there's a list of आप किस चीज का enzyme बना सकते हो. You can make out of basil leaves. Basil, if I talk about basil, any kind of basil. That's Italian basil, you can have perennial basil, any kind of basil, because basil is itself, it is a very good aroma of basil. तो जब आप उसका एंजाइम बनाओगे तो बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आएगी, बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आती है बेसिल की. देन यू कैन मेक आउट ऑफ नीम लीव्स. नीम लीव्स का क्या है, यू नो द मेडिकल कितनी इसके अंदर नीम के अंदर वैल्यूज हैं, मेडिकली दे आर सो रिच. सो यू कैन यूज मेक आउट ऑफ नीम लीव्स. इवन आई मेड दिस टाइम, अगर मैं आपको दिखाऊं, आई हैव दिस, सी आर दिस मेड, दिस इज आउट ऑफ नीम लीव्स. ये मैंने बड़े कंटेनर में बनाया हुआ है. दीज आर द बॉटल जो हमारे को इन्वर्टर का वो वाटर नहीं आता, फिल्टर वाटर, तो जब वो खाली हुई तो आई डोंट थ्रो देम, आई रीयूज देम. आई मेड दिस नीम एंजाइम आउट ऑफ इट. अभी मेरे पास अभी यहाँ पे है नहीं. आजकल के मौसम में नीम के अंदर ना छोटी छोटी बॉल्स आती हैं, जिसकी सीड्स जिसको हम बोलते हैं, निमोनिया टाइप से होते हैं, आई डोंट नो द एग्जैक्ट नेम. तो उसका तो बहुत ही इफेक्टिव बनता है. मैं आपके साथ एक छोटा सा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करती हूँ. अभी यू नो बिकॉज आई एम होम गार्डनिंग, तो मैं जब भी हार्वेस्ट करने जाती हूँ ना ऊपर, इट्स रियली हॉट नाउडेज. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड वर्किंग ओवर देयर जॉब इज नॉट इजी.
सॉरी सांसी जी, शीतल जी प्लीज अपना को म्यूट कर लो, बहुत आवाज आ रही है पीछे से. आई एम सो सॉरी.
Okay, thank you. अच्छा, so I'm just telling you my personal experience, जो अभी 2-3 दिन पहले हुआ है मेरे साथ. मेरे को ना यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा इचिंग हो गई थी. मे बी बिकॉज मैं जब लेडी फिंगर्स हार्वेस्ट करने जाती हूँ, उसकी लीव्स आर वेरी हार्ड, एंड उससे मुझे ना इचिंग शुरू हो गई थी, बिकॉज उसके अंदर एक स्टार्ची सा कुछ होता है, वो भी I don't know what happened, but it was a big patch over here, very big patch, and I was getting so irritated, sweat आता था, चुभता था. तो मैंने अपने हस्बैंड को दिखाया, तो वो कहते हैं ओके आप वीडियो कॉल कर लो किसी स्किन स्पेशलिस्ट के साथ, ही प्रॉब्लम तो ज्यादा बढ़ती हुई लग रही है. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है, ये तो बड़ा मुश्किल काम है, आई हेट डूइंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स. तो फिर मैं रात को आई वेंट टू माय रूम वेयर आई हैव केप्ट ऑल माय एंजाइम्स. मैंने नीम वाला एंजाइम लिया, आई जस्ट टिल्टेड इट. अभी वो बना नहीं हुआ है पूरा, इट्स बीन जस्ट 1 मंथ मैंने उसको बनाया. अभी इट्स नॉट कंप्लीट द प्रोसेस. मैंने उसको अपनी फिंगर जस्ट टिल्ट करके ऐसे डिप करा, उसको डाइल्यूट भी नहीं करा. I just rubbed it over here and I slept. Believe me, it was a magic. Morning में ये clean, you can see, it's all clean. गायब. तभी मैं इसको बोलती हूँ, this is not a normal water, normal solution. It is a magical solution. Guys, एक बार अगर आप use करोगे ना, you yourself will say, I'm telling you, I will get very many thank you calls. I'm not telling it because I'm very sure about it. I'm very, very sure. And those who are into natural therapies and they love to be natural, so for them, so it is like मैं क्या बताऊँ, it's like a magic, और बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. And nowadays, you know, हम chemicals से इतना घिरे पड़े हैं, अगर हम 1% भी अपनी life से chemicals हटा सके ना, so we can help ourselves, we can help our bodies. So moving further with the slide, so this is about neem leaves. Then you can make out of tulsi leaves. Tulsi के भी सबको पता ही है कि what are the values for tulsi. So then curry leaves, जिस curry बनाते हैं. Curry leaves is very, very good for your hair. Your hair will, you know, the process of turning gray hair will slow down. So you can use curry leaves for your hair, and it is not a fast rule कि आपने curry leaves को hair में use करना है. You can use them as a cleaning purpose also. These are multi-purpose enzymes. But I say कि curry leaves को hair में use करो, और papaya को भी आप जैसे skin के लिए use कर सकते हो. You can use anywhere, but हमें पता है कि curry leaves are good for hair, तो why not to use for your hair stuff? And then coming to this aloe vera को तो मुझे बोलने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. You all know how good it is for the skin and everything. So use make enzyme for aloe vera. And amla, gooseberries. Amla is again, everybody knows. You just what you have to do, अगर आपके पास आंवला है, just cut them into small pieces, put them into bottle, गुड़ डालो, water डालो, and your enzyme is ready. It is very simple, very simple. अगर शुरू में आप नहीं भी perfection से कर पाते हो, कुछ भी कर पाते हो, do it. Initially you will have some mistake, you will have some problems. अच्छा, one more thing which I am telling you, अगर आपके enzyme बनाने के process में there is a white layer on the top, no worries, forget it. If there is a brown layer, forget it, no worries. If there is a black layer on the top, forget it. It is all normal. हाँ, कई बारी, you know, when I've explained these things to my friends and my close relatives, तो वो बोल रहे हैं कि हमारे worms पैदा हो गए. तो touchwood मेरे इतने enzymes from last 1 year में बना रही हूँ, मुझे ऐसा कोई problem नहीं आई. But हाँ, उनको ये problem आई, then I told them कि आपने उसको airtight नहीं रखा होगा. Air should not reach over there. So always keep it airtight. And अगर worms पड़ गई भी गया ना, no worries. Add more jaggery and then continue with your procedure. There's no worries. अगर हो गया तो उसको आप अपने मेन्यू में यूज कर लेना. Don't throw them. कहीं पे भी यूज कर लेना. But don't throw them. Use it because आपने आधा procedure तो कर ही लिया है. And then you can make out of lemongrass. And then all types of flowers. When I talk about all type of flowers, then of course hibiscus. I will just show you. ये मेरे garden में bell flowers है. See this peach color. The flowers के color बहुत अच्छे आते हैं. इसलिए I love making them out of flowers. और marigold का तो we call them as a gold enzyme. Marigold is the best enzyme out of the lot. ठीक है, तो ये पीच कलर का मेरा बेल फ्लावर्स का बनाया हुआ है. एंड देन यू कैन मेक एनी फ्लावर, एनी विंटर्स के इतने फ्लावर्स होते हैं, यू कैन मेक आउट ऑफ एनी फ्लावर. यू ने एनी फ्लावर, एनी लीव्स का बनाओगे तो ग्रीन कलर का बनेगा. एंड देन वी कैन यूज ऑल टाइप ऑफ फ्रूट पील्स. पपाया का बहुत अच्छा बनता है. देन बनाना इज इट इज सो गुड, आई टेल यू, फॉर स्पेशली फॉर दोज हु आर डूइंग gardening and all. Then peels of vegetable, I told you, please avoid all those vegetables which I have told you, onion वगैरह सबको avoid करके rest all the vegetables you can make. ककड़ी, तोरी, घिया, किसी भी peels का बना सकते हो. Fine, now I'm going to another slide now. And I think this is the most interesting part जिसके लिए सब wait कर रहे हैं कि हम ये बना क्यों रहे हैं ये enzyme. So this is where you are going to use all your enzymes. So let's start.
If we use good jaggery, the plants will it not harm the plants or the air?
No. I tell you what, मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि पहले तो sorry, I actually thanks for reminding. I've skipped that part in the procedure. I think बीच में किसी ने question बोल दिया था तो मैं शायद वो part भूल गई हूँ बोलना. Now your enzymes are ready after 3 months. आपका नीचे रेसिड्यू इकट्ठा हो गया है. Now how you are going to use it, I have not told that part. I'm sorry, that is my mistake. So आपने क्या करना है, आपका enzyme ready हो गया. Now you just filter it, your enzyme, into another bottle. You will get a concentrated form of enzyme. Fine. Now you have to dilute it before using it. Dilute आपने ऐसे करना है, like just 1 ml. अब इसमें मैंने इस वाले एंजाइम में अगर हम लेंगे, it is just 1 ml I put and rest all water. This enzyme, this is just 1 ml. This is 1:100 part. तो you can imagine कि आपका एक bottle of enzyme कब तक चलने वाला है. It like goes on and on. अगर आप 2 bottle भी बना रहे हो तो it will have a long lasting period. Because उसकी quantity इतनी कम use होती है. 1 ml के 100 ml पानी के अंदर आप डालते हो, तो उसको पहले आप डाइल्यूट करेंगे, उसके बाद फिर आप डालेंगे. These guys are disturbing me a lot. What? Rocky, हटो. Okay, he's just making joke. Please यार, अभी आधी क्लास भी नहीं हुई है. Okay, fine. तो आपको डाइल्यूट करके यूज करना है. एंड नाउ यू विल आस्क मी कि हम उस रेसिड्यू का क्या करेंगे जो नीचे बचा हुआ है. यू कैन यूज दैट रेसिड्यू एज अ मदर कल्चर फॉर योर नेक्स्ट एंजाइम, बिकॉज उसके अंदर ऑलरेडी प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हो चुका है फॉर द फर्मेंटेशन. तो आप उसके अंदर ही दोबारा पील्स एंड वाटर डाल के यू कैन create another bottle for you, or you can just dry it and use as a manure for your plants. Or one thing more you can do, you can just grind them in a mixie. जो आपका residue बचेगा उसको mixie में grind करो, fill water, and that is the concentrative of one more bottle of concentrated form of enzyme is with you. So don't throw the residue, either use it for the mother culture part for your next enzyme, or you can use dry it and use for a manure. And third thing is कि उसको grind करके उसको dilute करो पानी के साथ, but make sure कि वो जो आपका पानी water पहले आपने solution अलग निकाला था, ये वाला जो residue वाला होएगा आपका, ये उससे strong होएगा. It is concentrated form. तो ये strong वाला enzyme आप जितने भी toilet cleaning या ऐसे वाली जो बहुत hard cleaning होती है उसमें आप use कर सकते हो. Fine. So now I am going to go back to my list of household cleaner. So either we are saying कि water tank. आपका water tank गंदा है, labor बुला के इतना hassle करते हैं हम लोग. क्या क्या करते हैं? You just what you have to do? Just take इतना enzyme, 1 bottle of enzyme, pour into water tank and forget it. पूरा water tank clean हो जाएगा. Because अगर actually I have not told you what is the process of making how the cleaning part happens. आप कहोगे कैसे cleaning हो जाता है ये जरा सा liquid डालने में, तो वो एक अलग से पूरा scientifically एक procedure है. If you want I can share it with you. So which I have not entered into it क्योंकि मुझे लगा कि शायद कईयों के लिए boring ना हो जाए वो सब कुछ सुनना. So let me finish with it. If we have a time, I can explain you कि cleaning होती कैसे है, कि आप टैंक में डालोगे और वो कहाँ चला जाएगा सारा गंद या क्या होता है. Actually इसके अंदर बैक्टीरिया होता है, वो it eats all the dirt. We call it as a good bacteria. उसका नाम होता है pathogenic bacteria. Pathogenic bacteria is very happy eating the dirt which is around it. So that bacteria will eat up all your dirt. So that this is the cleaning process. And now second is mopping. Mopping हर किसी के घर पोछा लगता है. I think somebody.
Rutika ji, you can mute them.
Shall I mute them? Okay.
Yes,
fine.
yes.
ओके नाउ मॉपिंग. आपके घर में सबके घर में जैसे पोछा लगते हैं, उस बकेट के अंदर जस्ट पुट 1 or 2 ml of this enzyme and then clean the floor. Believe me, the cleaning part will be very, very good. And all bacteria, all harmful viruses are killed out because using these enzymes. It is very good. Then dishwasher, you can put in your dishwasher. और अब ये देखो जैसे हम लोग ये बॉटल लेते हैं विम की, तो सपोज करो आप ये 1 year के अंदर 10 bottles यूज कर रहे हो. Fine. Now you no need to buy 10 bottles and waste your money on all this stuff. What you will do, take an empty bottle, take 1 part of this liquid, 1 part of your concentrated form of enzyme, and rest of the bottle you just fill it with water, and your utensil cleaner is ready. Because इसकी जो power of cleaning is 100 times than any other cleansing product. It is 100 times. So आप just buy 1 bottle, make 10 bottles out of it, keep it aside. कुछ नहीं होएगा क्योंकि expiry नहीं होती, खराब नहीं होते हैं, and just use them. So how much money you are going to save? Similarly, like आप ये use कर, एक second. Mopping हो गया, dishwasher हो गया. Now we come like when you're cleaning your floors now. All mosquitoes, ants, fly, pest, cockroaches, rat, all will run away from your house. All will run away. And eventually जब उनको mosquitoes नहीं होंगे ना, तो lizards भी नहीं होंगे आपके घर पे. Because वो तो they will be hungry then. They will also move out of your house. I have done it practically at my house. I have been doing it. तो मेरे घर कभी भी कोई आता नहीं यार mosquitoes नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है? Because I am cleaning with these enzymes. And then laundry part में क्या है, आप washing machine में washing powder डालते हो, put 5 ml of enzyme in it. The clothes will actually get properly clean. Then chimney cleaning. हमारी chimney कितनी dirty हो जाती है ना, तो आपने क्या करना है, concentrated form, like ये तो क्या diluted form है, just fill in a bottle, concentrated form, and just spray it and wipe it. वो ads देखते हैं ना कि इतना गंदा होता है, ऐसे wipe कर और clean हो गया. This will happen. Actually, believe me, I swear on you, this is going to happen. ऐसे wipe करोगे and it will be clean, all clean. Your gas stoves, that oil वाला dirty part जो होता है, exhaust fans में and all. But in that thing, you have to use concentrated form. In toilets and all, please use concentrated form. Then you can say no to Harpic, no to Lysol, no to phenyl. कुछ किसी भी चीज की जरूरत नहीं है. Just you need is your own homemade product, that is your enzymes. Made out of waste. And then washing of vegetables. Washing of vegetables, मेरे को बड़े से लोग कहते हैं हमने पोटेशियम परमानेंट में भिगो के रखी सब्जियां, हमने आरओ का वो एक मशीन आई वो ली हुई है. What you do is take your vegetable, put it in a tub, fill water and put few mls of enzyme in it, keep it for 10 to 15 minutes, just rinse it and eat it. And after using it na, you will find कि vegetables का taste भी बहुत बढ़ जाता है when you wash with these enzymes. And I'm not telling it just at the sake of telling. Actually, these all things are being tested, and when you will use it at a personal level, you will find it how interesting and how they work. Every day I find out कि इस enzyme से ये होता है. Okay, if you have a cut in your finger now, while the time of cutting vegetables and all, just put enzyme. See how quickly it will heal up. It's actually magic. Again and again I say it's a magic. And then it is scaler. Everybody knows कि washing machine में descaler चाहिए होता है, which I was using this Dettol का descaler for my washing machine. जो washing machine का tub होता है, अंदर से तो clean नजर आता है, but outside there is lot of scaling. So जिसने भी washing machine में करते होगे, everybody wants to clean, वो bacteria इकट्ठा हो जाता है, and there are a lot of diseases come up with your clothes because उसपे इतना bacteria इकट्ठा हो जाता है. So now I am not using it. पूरी bottle ऐसी की ऐसी पड़ी हुई है. I am cleaning my washing in descaler. As a descaler for a washing machine, I just put half cup of enzyme. Washing machine को चलाओ पानी के साथ normal without any clothes, and your washing machine will be cleaned. If you don't trust me now, call somebody and tell him कि मुझे टब खोल के दिखाओ. So you yourself will find out कि टब कैसे clean हो गया बाहर से. And this descaling should be done every house because पीछे से बहुत ज़्यादा dirty हो जाता है टब हमारा, वो जो स्टील का टब होता है. Fine. And then use on pets. ये तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है. ये हमारा एंजाइम है. आपका पेट बाहर घूमने गया है, ठीक है, और उसके साथ इतने सारे बैक्टीरिया, viruses will come because they are not wearing shoes. We just wipe them when they come. हमारे बेड पे चढ़ने से पहले हमको wipe करते हैं. Now what you have to do, just spray it on your pet and just wipe it with a towel or with a hand. That is it. And your pet, and even उनको ticks भी नहीं पड़ेंगे. जो dogs को tick पड़ जाती हैं, वो इतने परेशान होते हैं, उनके लिए भी इतना अच्छा हो जाएगा, उनको ticks भी नहीं पड़ेंगे. So pets, and then one of my friends, she told me कि she's using as a bleaching agent. I'm not doing it. She is doing. वो क्या करती है, अपने white clothes सारे के सारे bucket में dip कर देती है रात को enzyme के अंदर. In the morning she rinses up and she says, oh, it is a beautiful bleaching agent for me. I am not using it. I am happy wearing them how they are. Yellow clothes में मैं खुश हूँ. And then cleaning it for kitchen slabs, as I told you. Spray it, clean it, kitchen sink, and I tell you what, जब आप utensils wash करते हो ना, तब आपको पता भी नहीं है, unknowingly you are sending those enzyme through the drainage pipes, और आपकी drainage pipes भी clean हो जाती हैं. Sink के अंदर जा रहा है, and when you are cleaning your floor, you are throwing that bucket of water into your drainage pipe. That drainage pipe is also clean because enzyme वहाँ पे चले गए हैं. I tell you one, when I was doing lot of study on this enzyme last year, मेरे को proper नाम तो नहीं याद है, तमिलनाडु में there was one thesis being done. उसके अंदर 2 villages थे which were at the side of one river. तो एक village के अंदर every house, everybody was told कि आप enzyme use करोगे. They were using that enzyme. And दूसरा village में they were using normal whatever they were living like with what they were doing that. The river in the monsoon weather, river overflew. जैसे होता ही है इंडिया में, तो इधर बाढ़ आ गई. That village, there was no flood where the enzymes have been used, and the other village there was a flood. You know why? Because of the enzyme, all drainage pipe were cleared. So all the water which came as a flood, it all drained out. But in the other village, there was a flood. So you can imagine at which level these enzymes are being used. Now, all those, जो हमारा वो आश्रम है living, art of living, वहाँ पे proper classes ली जा रही हैं to teach people how to make enzyme, how to use enzyme. And then in South India, तो maximum people are using this. But North के अंदर अभी, you know, it is just started. All are Ganga and Yamuna river. बीच में Yamuna river के लिए तो एक, you know, लहर सी चली थी. Like so many volunteers. They used to make enzyme घर पे, buckets full of, and उसको pour करा करते थे Yamuna river में जाके. But हमारे यहाँ पे साफ करने वाले थोड़े कम हैं और गंद मचाने वाले ज़्यादा हैं, इसलिए effect कम आता है इंडिया में, you know. So it is like that. So it is that effective. These examples are just to tell you it is that effective, these enzymes. And then you can use for cleaning your bathroom tiles, then your all copper vessels. Use lemon enzyme for your copper vessels, they will shine. Use brass ke jitne bhi aapke hote hain, use them, they will shine. And Bani, this is important point for you. All your jewelry part, you can clean, all your solitaires, you can clean with this enzyme. And then it is like an airport fire.
Meeru ji, can you please mute yourself? Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Air purifier के लिए आपको क्या करना है? You have to be particular. आपने इसको dilute ज़्यादा करना है. You just take 1 ml with 1,000 ml or 100 ml of and just use it as air purifier, car purifier. You can clean your carpets, you can clean your car seats, anything. Every day when you will start using it, you will find new use of this enzyme. I have a big list. जब मैं टाइप कर रही थी मैंने कहा मैं क्या क्या टाइप करूँ, it's just not possible. It's only if somebody needs me कि कब कैसे यूज करना है, just call me up. So these are the uses of enzyme. There are multi uses. I have not touched the gardening part. Again, I tell you, these enzymes work as a magic for your gardens. Magic for your gardens. People ask me कि आपकी pot के अंदर इतनी सब्जी कैसे हो जाती है? How it is possible? All thanks to these enzymes which I am using. You know, pollination, वहाँ पे winters में जब हम flowers लगाते हैं, अगर आप ये enzyme use कर रहे हैं, the rate of pollination increases so much. Your garden will be full of flowers. And then you can make fertilizers and pesticides also. But now I am not going into that detail, Abhi. Let's stick to this only for home cleaning. Now, next slide is for the self-use slide.
Sorry, the quick question. People are asking कि जो ये enzymes हैं इसमें कौन से वाले use करने?
Yeah, I think ये वाली slide से थोड़ा बहुत clear हो जाएगा सब कुछ. Bani, you can hear me? Okay, good, fine. So you can use this enzyme for your face wash. Fine. फेस वॉश क्या, आपका जो फेस वॉश की बॉटल है उसके अंदर आप थोड़ा सा फेस वॉश लो, एंजाइम डालो, उसको पानी से डाइल्यूट करो एंड योर फेस वॉश इज रेडी. फाइन. अगेन द सेम प्रोसीजर जो मैंने आपको इसमें बताया था. एक फेस वॉश खरीदो और उसको डाइल्यूट करके एंजाइम करके उसकी 10 बॉटल्स बना लो. Initially do it that, or best part is, you know what, see what I made this is a rose enzyme. Whenever I go out of the house, आजकल तो खैर जा नहीं रहे हैं, घर पे ही बैठे हुए हैं, so whenever I go out, I just spray it on my face. This is a rose enzyme. I made out of the rose petals and diluted it. So, isko spray karo and just wipe it. All your pores will be cleaned. You will not have a problem of blackheads, whiteheads, and then you're going to parlor and getting your pinched up. No, because this is a cleaning agent. आपकी skin को clean कर देगा, and your skin can actually breathe more oxygen. So this is the use of this enzyme. This is something very natural and very simple. I think every lay person can understand कि इसका क्या process है. I use it as like a toner for my skin. And then similarly, आप इसको body wash, same procedure as I told you, body wash. One of my friend, what she's doing, she is so into too much. She's has become a pro of using enzymes. She's not even using this shampoos and body wash. She's making everything at home. वो रीठा मिलता है, उसको वो रात को भिगोती है, उसका वो सोपी लिक्विड बन जाता है, उसके अंदर वो एंजाइम डालती है, एंड शी फिल्ड अप इन ऑल द बॉटल्स एंड केप्ट इन ऑल द वॉशरूम्स. She said, I am not using any outside stuff now. So people are using it to that level now. मेरे को भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि अब मैं भी उस स्टेप में जाने वाली हूँ. I will be making that everything घर पे, क्योंकि मुझे भी अब इतना मजा आ रहा है ना इन सबको यूज करने में. When you see the result now, you actually enjoy and you feel so good कि जो इतना time spend करा है इसके ऊपर, it is on a right, you are putting your energy in a right way. And then this rose enzyme as a toner, I have told you. Aloe vera enzyme you can use for your skin and hair. Again, अगर आप नहीं इसको शैम्पू के अंदर नहीं भी डाल रहे हो, आप क्या कर सकते हो, जैसे ये hibiscus enzyme है, you just spray it on your head. Dilute, please dilute करके spray करना, concentrated form में मत spray करना. Dilute with water and spray. Just spray it on your hair. Keep it for half an hour and just rinse it or wash it, whatever. You can see the shine, the smoothness in your hair. It's beautiful. You will love the texture of your hair. And the dandruff will go, and itching hoti hai jo pasine se hame, everything will. It's just one this thing and solution for everything. And then amla enzyme for hair, as I told you. बिकॉज आंवले की क्वालिटीज तो हमें पता ही है क्या होती हैं. तो आप जैसे नारियल का तेल बनाते हैं आंवला कड़ी पत्ते के साथ, तो नो नीड टू गेट इनटू दैट थिंग कि उसको स्टेन करो एंड ऑल, जस्ट यूज दिस एंजाइम्स. देन this skin allergies, as I told you कि मुझे यहाँ पे itching हुई थी. Many people are treating themselves with this enzyme. Any kind of skin allergies, itching है, किसी को बहुत कुछ है. I don't know, मैं इसके बारे में ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं बोलूँगी because personally I have not experienced. So many skin allergies, if you read in net, you will find out many people are using it for skin allergies also. And then last is hibiscus enzyme, that is for your dandruff and all. And I think I'm done. So any questions now? If anybody wants to you can ask me now. I think Bani सबको unmute कर देते हैं. If anybody wants to ask any question regarding
themselves. And everybody can unmute themselves.
Hi, Ruchika.
Hello.
Ruchika, hi.
Hi, Meeta. Yeah, how
are you?
Good.
Ruchika, I wanted to ask, is there any enzyme for acne, skin acne?
I can't get you, Meeta.
Is there any enzyme for skin acne?
Skin acne, see, yes, of course. Again, this enzymes which come out after the pimples.
Yeah.
Even that goes. Even that.
Ruchika? And one more, please, one or two more questions, then I'll mute myself. I wanted to ask, you are saying vegetable peels or fruit peels. So we can mix them all, whatever fruits we are cutting or vegetables?
You can mix them all if you are making for the cleaning purpose. Yes, of course you can mix them all. I have made many enzyme. मैं just उसको अपने cook को बोल देती हूँ तो सारे bottle में डालता जा, and then I will do it myself. Measure करके जो भी करना है box में collect कर ले, I will do it. That is my job. You can mix and make. Please onion and garlic मत use करना, उनकी smell अच्छी है.
Yeah, that I got it.
One more thing,
Yeah.
कोई भी आप enzyme बना रहे हो, whichever enzyme you are making, please हर enzyme के अंदर 2 या 3 lemon के peels डाल दो. Because lemon का जो वो आती है ना खुशबू, that is very good. You all should start with citrus fruit. Because then जब आपको उसका use पता चलेगा ना, then you will start making all other enzymes also.
Ruchika, to make
yes.
Okay, sorry, to make aloe vera enzyme, आपको उसकी peel निकालनी है. You can cut it and put it in that.
No. पूरा का पूरा leaf लो आप.
Leaf ले लो, हाँ.
ठीक है, just cut them in a lengthwise.
Right.
बॉटल में डालने में आसानी होती है क्योंकि बॉटल का माउथ बहुत छोटा होता है, छोटे होता है. It is very tedious job. Lengthwise cut करो, just drop them in. Don't do anything, just wash it and drop them in and put rest, water and good.
Yeah, that I know. Yeah, thank you.
Ruchika, how about the lemongrass? How about lemongrass is long leaves and all. So how do we put and in what quantity we should? Because lemongrass की quantity कैसे पता चलेगी?
अच्छा, very good question, Sensi. You know what? ये जो flowers, lemongrass, जिनका weight बहुत कम होता है, अगर हम उसको 30% लेते हैं ना, तो वो बहुत सारा bulk में हो जाता है. जैसे मैं दिखाती हूँ ये मैंने जब नीम का बनाया, मैंने मेजर करके बनाया, तो आप देखो पूरा नीम की लीव्स भरे हुए हैं, पहले तो ये ऊपर तक आ गई थी। तो जो लीव्स वाली चीजें होती हैं, जो दोज वर लाइट इन वेट, अगर आप उनको 30 में लेते हो, 30 मेजर करके, तो वो बहुत ज्यादा कई बार हो जाती हैं अगर आप मेजर कर रहे हो तो वो आप थोड़े से कम भी ले सकते हो उसमें।
तो अगर मुझे बॉटल में बनाना है, अगर मुझे बॉटल में बनाना है, लाइक नॉट अ दिस मच, तो हाउ मच लाइक I should take?
ये दिस इज एंजाइम आई मेड अप ऑफ जैस्मिन फ्लावर्स। एज यू नो आजकल जैस्मिन बहुत ज्यादा फ्लावर हो रहा है, तो इसकी इतनी अच्छी खुशबू होती है ना, आई टेल यू। ये मैंने टॉनिक वाटर होता है ना बॉटल, उसमें बनाया छोटा सा। आई जस्ट यूज इट फॉर माई स्किन, अगेन आई यूज इट एज फॉर माई टोनर एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स। अभी ये बना नहीं है, आई मेड इट ऑन 26 June, so it will take time, so it will all settle down after that. Jasmine flower.
My question again says that जब हम जैगरी डाल रहे हैं तो is it not harmful for the skin or hair?
No, ma'am, jaggery is not at all harmful.
So I
And
mean,
why you are forgetting that? First of all, the jaggery is not harmful because it is a very good substitute of sugar also. And this enzyme, you know, the fermentation is taking place. जो भी आप ingredients डाल रहे हो वो as it is नहीं रहने वाले. They are going under certain chemical reactions and some other product you will find as a final product. You will not get the same sugar we are adding. जैसे आप breads बनाते हो, आप yeast डालते हो, उसके अंदर sugar डालते हो. Why? To activate the yeast. Similarly, इसके अंदर जो bacteria है, it gets activated only if you will add jaggery. And I tell you, if you are worried, you don't add jaggery. Without adding jaggery, just with water also, just put it airtight, it will be made. But it will take more time. We add good just to aggravate the procedure. Like जैसे हम breads बनाते हैं तो उसमें हम yeast के साथ sugar डालते हैं to aggravate. It is just like that.
any specific peel for pigmentation of the skin?
I tell you what, it is according to your own body and your own skin. Please try aloe vera and all this amla and all which I have told you for your skin. And please make mint. आजकल बारिशों में mint बहुत अच्छा बनता है, बड़ी अच्छी खुशबू आती है mint enzyme की.
Hello, we are using jaggery. Won't it be gluey and sticky?
No, after enzyme it is made, it's just like a liquid. It won't be there. All these things which you are talking about will go in that process of fermentation. Initially, yes, it will be sticky when you are making it, but I think that is all okay. You can wash your hand, you can wash the bottle and keep it. But later on, no, it will be not like that.
Okay, when we are making it, we'll use just one ingredient, either one flour or one peel, or we can add more ingredients to it.
You can mix. Like I have told you, ये वाला जो enzyme मैंने बनाया हुआ है, ये marigold and lemon का बनाया हुआ है. This is a very good enzyme for kitchen की slabs वगैरह clean करने में. So
we can use fresh flowers, or we need to dry them first?
No. Please. Anything you are using, use fresh. All your this peels, vegetable peels or fruit peels, flowers, don't let them rotten. Use fresh. Don't let them rot. Just use fresh. I am again saying use fresh.
Okay.
बिल्कुल भी आपने पुरानी सब्जियां नहीं यूज करनी, ये नहीं कि पड़ी हुई है डस्टबिन में 3 दिन बाद आप उसका एंजाइम बना रहे हो. नो, आप ऐसा नहीं
And
करोगे.
Ruchika, to add lemon, do you have to squeeze it and add, and just cut it and add?
No, when I'm talking about lemon, I'm talking about lemon peels.
All right, ठीक है.
Because it is all about not throwing your waste, using it in a very productive manner.
Fine.
When I'm talking about sweet lime, so it is not about sweet lime. आपने पैसे नहीं खर्च करने, आपने बस जो उसके peels होते हैं उसका बनाना है.
ठीक.
Tell me another thing.
So
basically, the fruits, the citrus fruits or the flowers that we're using is for our self-care, or
Yes, of course.
mixed.
No. एक बार I'm not able to clear. Can
Example,
you
if I'm using some vegetables peel and making the enzyme, so that would be particularly for the cleaning of the house, or can I use it for the self-care also?
मेरे को ना एक्चुअली आपका क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली समझ नहीं पा रही हूँ मैं। थिंग इज दैट कि अगर आप फ्रूट पील्स का बना रहे हो, अगर आप पपाया का बना रहे हो, पपाया का आप स्किन के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हो और क्लीनिंग पर्पस के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हो, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली ओके आई थिंक दिस क्वेश्चन इज कमिंग अप विद एवरीबॉडीज माइंड। नाउ आई टेल यू द प्रोसीजर ऑफ क्लीनिंग कैसे होता है। इसमें क्या होता है, देयर इज वन पैथोजेनिक बैक्टीरिया which we called as a good bacteria. What does it does? Okay, I give you example. जैसे एक क्लास है, क्लास में टीचर है, टीचर अपॉइंट करता है अपने नीचे 4 बच्चों को कि आपने जाके, एक ने बुक्स कलेक्ट करनी है, एक ने जाके बुलेटिन बोर्ड से जाना है, एक ने कुछ करना है। Similar thing happens with this enzyme. This bacteria, this pathogenic bacteria, ये release करता है enzymes, and you know what this enzyme do? As it happens in our digestive system, these enzyme goes and break down all the dirt particles into tiny particles, and then this tiny particles is consumed by that bacteria, that pathogenic bacteria, and when there's lot of dirt, this bacteria multiplies and they want to eat. बहुत भुक्खड़ है ये bacteria, वो खाते हैं सब कुछ, so they keep eating all the dirt, they multiply and they eat, and eventually when the dirt is finished up, these bacteria will decrease, they will go by themselves, they will die off, and you will get a clean water. And what 2 compounds are released after cleaning is carbon dioxide and water. I think all those who have a science background can actually connect to me very much कि उसके बाद फिर 2 products release होते हैं, that is water and carbon dioxide. And I tell you what, when एक घर में अगर 2 bottle of enzymes बनते हैं, it helps to release so much of oxygen. It goes into the air and it helps to heal the ozone layer. So आप सोचो अगर हर घर के अंदर 2 bottles भी बन रही हैं, how much oxygen we are giving to the atmosphere. That why I again and again call it is very much eco-friendly, and to heal the ozone layer also. So this is a procedure how this enzyme, how this bacteria act on dirt. Anything else?
Ruchika, my question is, can we use bitter gourd peels also? Like Karela?
Bitter gourd peel, but फिर आप उसको हाँ you can make it. No problem in making. But वो ये है कि थोड़ा सा ये वाली जो चीजें होती हैं, yes you can make it, you can use it for skin also. Like जैसे मैं नीम का यूज करती हूँ, जैसे मार्गो सोप आता है, stop using that. Sometimes you know pimples आ जाते हैं तो doctor suggest you कि ये वाला use करो, तो you use that bitter gourd वगैरह.
So nowadays the weather is very humid, and what I have started developing kind of a itching, and then I scratch it, and also these neems and amla would be a good substitute for that.
Amla is very good, aloe vera is very good, all these things, they are very good for your skin as well as for your hair ना. So you start using it, then eventually you will come to know कि आपको कौन सा वाला enzyme ज़्यादा सूट कर रहा है, आंवले का यूज कर रहा है कि hibiscus का यूज कर रहा है कि कौन सा आपके स्किन के हिसाब से which is more affected. Sometimes you know what I do, I just mix all of them together, amla, hibiscus, then kadi patta, all of them together and dilute in a bottle and I use it. I just spray it on my hair, keep it for some while and just go for a head wash.
And they're saying that anyone with new questions, 2 more questions.
What about, can you have like a spoon of aloe vera enzyme? Can you ingest it? Can you drink it? Is it?
Listen there, yes, there are many enzymes which we can also have, which we can drink it. But I have not spoken about it. There's a different procedure of making it. You know Yakul? Yakul is what? Yakul is also one of the enzymes.
Yeah.
So it is one of the enzyme only which goes into you. It is very, very good. Yes, they are healing from inside also. But in this class, as it was for the house cleaner, I am not discuss on it. That is a separate topic.
Okay. Thank you.
You can make all those enzyme out of fruit. उसके लिए ginger का, apple, oranges, इन सब के बनते हैं जो हम drink कर सकते हैं. It is a very good fizzy drink. That is a different recipe. That is a different recipe. जैसे but उसके में peels नहीं, उसमें आप fruits भी use करते हैं उसमें. Fruits and sugar का बनता है without water. So that is a different recipe.
Looking forward for that also now.
Yes, I can do that whenever if किसी को जरूरत हुई तो definitely I will share that also.
Ruchika, when can and how we can talk to you? You said any queries we can call you.
You can talk to me anytime on WhatsApp. I am always available. मैं बिल्कुल खाली हूँ, मैं कोई कुछ भी नहीं करती हूँ.
Acha, I want to add something. It's my contribution also. Okay, if you want to check your metal cleaning enzyme is, effective or not, go to Bani's shop, buy the solitaire, and when it gets
5 मिनट में.
Very good idea, uncle. Very good idea.
and when it gets dirty, you clean with Ruchika's enzyme. And second, and Ruchika is the one enzyme is on trial basis. How to handle your husband and dance on your this finger. So trial is on me. It is already successful. So in next episode, she will tell you the most important enzyme she has made.
We
Next
want
time-
that for
next
sure.
time-
Thanks for sharing.
Next time, Neena, present.
Thanks for sharing. Best enzyme, I think this was.
Yeah,
Thank you so much
That's
for
the most
sharing.
useful enzyme.
Just the humor part of the class. Hanji.
I just want to ask two things. If you're saying we'll add enzyme to our clothes and won't leave color on the clothes, and secondly, somebody is asking which enzyme to use to clean the water tank. Which one is the most effective one?
See, it is every enzyme is equally affected. Every enzyme. You can make a mixed enzyme. जितने भी peels हैं, try lemon enzyme. All enzyme have a same power of working. It is only how you're using it. Water tanks में please don't dilute like this in water and use. Put as a concentrated form. जैसे enzyme का liquid आपके पास है, वो ही direct डालो, उसी से ही clean होएगा. So there's no hard fast theory कि ये enzyme ज़्यादा effective है या वो effective है. It is only because we know that कि कुछ enzymes skin के लिए already recommended हैं, कुछ चीजें like आंवला, hibiscus, ये सारी चीजें already हम skin के लिए use कर रहे हैं, तो why not use their enzyme for the skin? Otherwise you can use anything. And one thing more, these flowers are very scanty. आप फ्रूट और वेजिटेबल तो आपके पास बल्क में पील्स होते हैं, तो आप उनके एंजाइम बना के क्लीनिंग में यूज करो. बट ये फ्लावर तो हमारे पास होते ही बहुत कम है, तो उनको फिर एंजाइम बना रहे हो तो स्किन के लिए यूज करो. व्हाई टू इतना करके फिर आप उसको क्लीनिंग में यूज करो. बट इफ यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फ्लावर्स, लाइक वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड हैज गिवन टोल्ड कि गुरुद्वारे में जितने भी रोज flowers चढ़ते हैं तो वो आप मुझे दे दिया करो. तो she makes enzymes out of all those flowers जो गुरुद्वारे में मतलब जो decoration होती है, she collects them and makes. If you have that bulk of flowers, yes, of course, you can make just flower enzymes also and use it in everywhere.
Hello.
हाँ जी. और कपड़ों में
What is the quantity? What's the quantity you put in a water tank?
Water tank में depends on the size of the water tank. कि कितना है, तो उसके हिसाब से either a half bucket or one bottle. जैसे इसका आपका water tank बहुत बड़ा है तो इतना half तो डाल ही दो. Concentrated form, not the dilute form. Not the diluted.
Okay, thanks.
अच्छा बानी, one thing more you were asking कि कपड़ों में दाग, no, नहीं आएंगे, बिल्कुल नहीं आएंगे.
And somebody is asking, can we use hand sanitizers out of it?
हैंड सैनिटाइजर, मेरे को पता था मुझे ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना पड़ेगा. नो, आई विल नॉट से एनीथिंग ऑन दिस बिकॉज हैंड सैनिटाइजर इज समथिंग लाइक आजकल हम किस तरीके से यूज कर रहे हैं. तो सॉरी, व्हेन आई हैव नॉट एक्सपीरियंस एनीथिंग, आई विल नॉट स्पीक ऑन.
रुचिका, वन क्वेश्चन कि जितने भी एग्जाम्स हैं सेम प्रोसेस में बनेंगे विद द जैगरी एंड द वाटर एंड
every
प्रोसेस फॉर द ऑल एग्जाम आर द सेम ओनली. Process for the all exam.
Process is same. Everything step by step you have to follow the same thing for every enzyme. And जो enzyme बनते हैं वो भी same होते हैं. Only the thing is that उनकी कुछ qualities different होती हैं according to the which we call cell.
Okay, thanks, Ruchika.
Yeah.
And one more thing, how long will these last? Will they go bad after some time? Is there any time period we have to finish it off till some time?
I think you joined class late. First thing I told it, they have no expiry date and they are purely harmless. They have no expiry date. You can keep it for years and years. The older the enzyme, the better it is. As it keeps multiplying, the procedure goes on, and the more stronger it is. It has no expiry date.
Oh, thank you so much.
Ruchika?
Anji Sheena.
Hi. Are you selling your enzymes in case I want to try once?
Pardon me, smelling.
Are you selling your enzymes? I just want to try once how it actually works.
I am not into selling of it. I will be sending you across. अभी आप उनको use करके देखो. Initially, I'm not selling it. I'm just doing it for the benefit of all and for being eco-friendly person. अभी I will just send you a small bottle. Use it, and then I don't know. अगर demand ज़्यादा हुई तो maybe.
I think something happened.
Yeah, सब mute हो गए थे. Yes. Any more queries?
I have been using the peels for last quite some time, especially the lemon and the oranges and the, you know, क्या कहते हैं, अनार वगैरह, even cucumber and all. But I use either the fresh ones, I grind it and mix with few things and use it on the skin. Or at times I dry them, powder them, and then use it with adding some curd or something, whatever according to the
Yes,
reason.
yes, yes. Even
Now what
I'm doing
I
same.
think I have to take it to another dimension with your such informative this session.
Okay, thank you. Even I used to do it. I used to do it. maybe fruit के packs लगाया करती थी face पे. You can do that also. Use enzymes also. Both. Hanji, sorry. Hello. Somebody was speaking.
Arun sir.
I think somebody wanted to ask something.
Yeah.
So Ritika, I'm so happy because in my house they all laugh कि वो सामान गिर जाए पर इसका छिलका नहीं गिरना चाहिए.
I am also saying. I think we both are sailing in the same boat. मेरे को तो सब बोलते हैं ये कूड़े वाली है, सब कुछ संभाल के रखती है.
You are doing a great job. My daughter told me about this. Said, "Mom, you don't have to miss this session. It's basically for you."
Oh.
Because you really gel with it, you'll understand it better, and I'm going to start it now today onwards only.
Yes, please. I will request everybody. Hanji.
Cucumber peels और lemon peels फ्रिज में पड़े हुए हैं. Curry leaves मैंने आज ही तोड़ के बहुत सारा रखा हुआ है.
बस आप शुरू करो.
You think I'm going to start today itself?
बिल्कुल. You just start. आप बस शुरू करो. You will end up to
मैं
making.
आपसे नंबर पूछ रही थी because once I start doing, I know I'll have lot of queries.
Yes.
You know.
Yes, please do call me anytime. Anytime a day you can call me.
Anybody who's not in the WhatsApp group, you can please get
मुझे पता नहीं है. I'll have to check with my daughter. She may be knowing. I don't have. I don't know which is the group. She may be knowing. I don't know.
I made the group. If you want, you can send me a message and I can add you to the group.
How to
send my number over here? You can send me a message.
Should I just see it? My daughter is here on just now. She will know.
Okay, one thing more. Okay, one thing more I want to tell you. If anybody interested in gardening, I can explain you कि आपने अपने garden के लिए enzymes कैसे बनाने हैं. In some other session, if anybody interested, please बानी को बता देना. So we can have one session for this garden purpose also.
Ruchika, one question again I have to ask. Which jaggery we have to use? A crushed jaggery or like a rock wali jaggery जो बड़ी बड़ी होती है?
There is no hard fast rule. You can use any jaggery.
Okay.
But only I told you कि आप sugar भी use कर सकते हो, आप brown sugar use करते हो, molasses मिलते हैं वो भी use कर सकते हो, any kind of मीठा.
Any kind.
हाँ, but make sure कि आप जब enzymes बना रहे हो उसमें कोई oily चीज मत डालो, half cooked जैसे कुछ चीज है वो मत डालो, bones, fish की bones, ये सब चीजों की नहीं बनाना है. Only it's all about fresh plants, vegetables, इन सब चीजों की बात.
जैगरी मिक्स करना जरूरी है, मतलब क्यूब का क्यूब भी होगा वो अपने आप हो जाएगा डिसॉल्व.
या मिक्स वाटर तो डिसॉल्व हो जाएगा ना.
Leave it inside. Okay.
You just put it in the water, it will get dissolved itself within 2-3 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do. आप तो I don't even wait for getting them dissolved. I just put them all together, just shake it and keep it. अच्छा, one thing more, when you're making enzyme ना, sometimes ये ऐसे ऊपर आ जाते हैं, कि ऊपर ऐसे इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं. Once in a while, like in 3 weeks, just push them down with something and try to use wooden stuff, not a metal stuff. जिससे आप push कर रहे हो, spoon and all, wooden से कर दो तो better है. उसको नीचे push कर दो. अगर नहीं भी कर, it's okay, just ऐसे करके कर दो, that is enough. So it is like very, very simple, I think. Any queries more?
Let's see how often do we need to use it for the cleaning of the tank?
I think you should clean after 3 to 4 months के बाद. Means like whatever the procedure you are following, तो आप उसी procedure से follow करो after 6 months or whatsoever. जैसे भी आप अपना water tank clean करा रहे हो, तो आप उसी procedure को follow करते हुए enzymes डाल दो बस.
I think that was very informative.
Thank you.
Bani, I have sent you my phone number to be added in the group.
Yeah, everybody who have contributed.
One more question, please. One more question. Sorry. Yeah, I wanted to ask you, Ruchika, you had said that sometimes you might notice a scum forming on top. So do we take it out, or do we shake the bottle and let it go within the thing?
See, it will not go. It is a part of that procedure of fermentation. That is absolutely normal. अगर आपको white layer नजर आ रही है, then you should be happy that the procedure of fermentation is going very well.
Okay.
So it is a part of that procedure. I'm just telling you because you are the beginners. तो आप कहीं घबरा मत जाना कि ये क्या हो गया, एक white layer इकट्ठी हो गई है. तो उसमें घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. This is a part of a procedure. Whenever you do certain experiments, उसमें बड़े सारे changes आते हैं. It is just like that.
I just want to say one last thing. Sorry, just anybody who wants to be the part of the WhatsApp group, they have to message me their number on WhatsApp, not on this group. I won't be able to catch on all the numbers and add you. Please message me on WhatsApp. I'll add you all.
And there are the numbers, how to send them. I have sent it here on the chat.
I've messaged you my number in the chat. You can message me your numbers. I'll add everyone. We hold a session every week on new topics. And it's absolutely free. We have new topics every week.
I don't understood how to. I have just now sent my number on this.
My number is 98.
Okay, I'll just please. Yeah, 98. Yeah, tell me.
It's 98.
Yeah.
18.
Yes.
01.
Yes.
25.
5.
24.
Okay, I can send you the message on this, right?
Absolutely. Anybody who wants to be the part, we hold sessions every week.
And girls, I would just want to tell you that I am into rooftop veggies. There's my page by rooftop veggies. Please like my page or Insta. Just follow them. Yeah, just follow it. You will find many more new things which I daily basis I'm doing in vegetables.
You must follow her page. She is a pro.
Nothing like that. I think Bani. Okay. So I think we can wind up the class now. I would like to thank you all for sparing such a your precious time. But I would like to say you कि please आप enzyme बनाने शुरू करो. In this process, you will enjoy doing it.
Ruchika, we wish that this session can carry on. It's so interesting.
I can't hear you properly. Okay, sure. Any help you need, and also if anybody needs a sample enzyme, I'm very much ready to send across. So अगर आपको पहले use करना है तो मैं आपको भेज भी सकती हूँ in a small bottle, so that you.
Where are you located?
हाँ जी.
Where are you located?
I'm in Gurgaon. I'm in DLF this one.
I am in Faridabad.
Only the thing is that sending will be an issue. Lekin I am always there to help you on phone. I can do a video call. Whenever you are having some problem, please just call me. You're free to call me anytime.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Really enjoyed having all of you.
Ruchika.
Anji, Nita.
Your page is on Facebook, YouTube, or Insta?
Instagram. My page is on Insta, dear.
Insta. Okay. Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Dear.
Thank you for a wonderful session. We really had good information from you. We'll start doing it from today itself.
Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. Thanks for listening, bearing me for such a long period. Thank you so much.
We'd love to send you the pics after I start making.
Actually, Anji. Okay. I can't hear you. Many of your voices are not very clear actually. Okay, Bani, I think now we can just.
I think I'll wind up the video, but thank you, Ruchika Di, and thank you everyone for coming. It was a great, very informative session.
And I think I have done the recording part also. If मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग भी करी है सेशन की. बानी, अगर किसी को चाहिए तो प्लीज आप बता देना. आई विल जस्ट सेंड अक्रॉस.
Yes, कि आपसे मैं भी ले लूंगी पूरी, and I'll email it to everyone because a lot of people asked for it.
Okay, sure dear, sure.
But it was very informative. Like it was so good.
It was very good actually. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Auntie.
Hi, how are you?
आप कैसे हो?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. मैंने कहा कोई क्वेश्चन पूछने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी, इतना कुछ सबने पूछ लिया.
चलो great.
चलो ठीक है. Okay, thank you, Ruchika.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Thank you.